Hey everyone, GoPro MAX 360 is the latest addition to GoPro's lineup, bringing advanced 360-degree recording capabilities and AI-powered features to action camera market. Designed to cater to adventure enthusiasts, content creators, and vloggers, this camera offers unique dual-lens system that captures immersive footage with high resolution and superior audio quality. One of the standout aspects of GoPro MAX 360 is its ability to record in full 360-degree mode at resolution of 16.6 megapixels, ensuring detailed and dynamic footage from every angle. Users also have the option to shoot in hero mode with a 5.5 megapixels resolution for standard wide-angle shots, while the Power Pano mode enables panoramic images at 6.2 megapixels. For those looking to capture single-lens videos, the camera supports 1440p resolution, whereas stitched 360-degree footage can go up to 5.6K, delivering stunning clarity. Additionally, the camera provides full coverage at 4K, making it a versatile tool for various shooting scenarios. Audio performance is another strong suit of the GoPro MAX 360. Equipped with 6 microphones, it captures spatial audio with enhanced clarity, while one noise reduction technology ensures smooth and immersive sound quality even in challenging environments. The inclusion of raw audio capture provides users with greater control over sound editing, which is a significant advantage for professional content creators. Durability remains a key focus for GoPro, and the MAX 360 is no exception. It boasts a rugged, waterproof design that can withstand depths of up to 5 meters, making it ideal for underwater adventures, extreme sports, and outdoor exploration. The sturdy build ensures that users can rely on the camera even in tough conditions, maintaining GoPro's reputation for reliability in action-packed scenarios. The camera also introduces a range of AI-powered features aimed at enhancing usability and creative possibilities. AI editing tools allow for quick and intuitive post-production, while keyframing offers precise control over camera movements within 360-degree footage. Camera FX brings cinematic effects that elevate video quality, and automatic object tracking ensures that subjects remain in focus without manual intervention. These intelligent functions make content creation more streamlined and professional-looking. Additional features include a detachable Enduro 1960 mAh battery pack, which ensures extended shooting sessions, as well as live streaming capabilities for real-time content sharing. The GoPro MAX 360 integrates seamlessly with GoPro's mobile app, allowing users to edit and share their footage effortlessly. Launched in India with a price tag of 38,500 Indian rupees, the GoPro MAX 360 is set to be available from April 2025 through online platforms like Flipkart and Amazon India, as well as in physical retail stores. This release follows the company's earlier models, including the GoPro Hero 13 Black and Hero Action cameras. With its advanced recording capabilities, AI-driven enhancements, and rugged design, the GoPro MAX 360 stands out as a powerful option for those looking to push the boundaries of creative videography. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below. Have a nice day and God bless you.